How to trade cards in Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And once you do that, click on the album icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are there, you will find a bunch of cards and stickers, groups or sets. Go ahead and click on the card set or group from which you want to trade cards. Once you are here, click on any card that you own or a card that you don't own. If you clicked on a card that you own, this page will open up. From here, just swipe to the left or right till you reach a card that you don't own. However, if you clicked on a card that you don't own, this page will automatically open up. As you can see here, it tells you that if you need this sticker, you need to ask for it in our Facebook group. Click on the Ask in Group button at the bottom. Once you do that, you will be redirected to Monopoly Go Trading Group on Facebook, where you will find a lot of people trading cards there. When you find the person who is willing to trade his cards with you, go ahead and do that, as it's pretty easy and self-explanatory from there. So that was it for this video. That's how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.